You watch this fucking go. Oh, wow.
Now $9.90 a kilo, plus fresh pork leg roasts at $7.50 a kilo. Save time and shop online. Fresh choice all way.
Nice in style with freedom. Get up to 20% off selected sofas, 25% off selected living and dining furniture, and for a limited time, get 36 months interest-free on all furniture. Sales Monday, only at Freedom.
Inspiration comes when we feel something new. We believe movement inspires ideas. Introducing the fully electric EV6 by Kia. Kia, movement.
Harrison's Home Improvement. 40% off carpets, plus interest-free. Buy now, you win 10,000 bonus. Shop online now. Harrison's Wonderful Made Easy.
I'm here with Kalki the Calculator, adding up the savings for Pack and Save Shop Off. Natasha filled her trolley at Pack and Save Toliko. Then she filled her trolley at Countdown Greerton. And the winner is Pack and Save. Calculate the savings, Kalki. $45.97. Oh, imagine how much more you could put under the tree with that. Oh, a fancy scientific calculator. Look at this, Kalki. It's cool. Pack and Save. Low prices for all this Christmas.
Celebrating togetherness this Christmas. Spend $2.80 and receive your free gift with Warburg and Hall.
What's Wing Street you're thinking? It's a place to grab life. By the way, giving you permission not to eat. Okay, so grab life by the way. Delicious sticky wings. Only at Pizza Hut.
Back with a new season.
Them's the words, baby.
With some familiar faces
Talking about me again, how awkward.
and some new ones.
Hey, to join you in Paris. I don't need nothing.
I think I love it here too much. I've been looking for a country house for months.
We're bonkers for going things to her.
I can't put a hole in you. It'd be ridiculous.
The new season of The Larkins, starting Sunday on 1 and on TVNZ Plus.
She couldn't do it. She's determined to have this baby.
Baby in New York can have it all.
That's the dream, right?
She can't have you, so she's trying to trap you.
Blatantly trying to get between us, mate.
TVNZ.
Now, though, you know you've had quite a day of weather when you hit 29 degrees and you're still not at the top temperature across the country. 29 for Christchurch today, the top temperature 30, first 30 in fact, for the season at Hastings. And add to that 200 kilometre per hour winds into the ranges of the Southern Alps. Rain already 350 to nearly 400 millimetres to the west coast. There's a pipeline of cloud, big rocking high, but notice that little swirly behind it. That's one last little piece of upper energy. That is going to take the whole thing, push it north, but it's just going to almost like a tomato sauce bottle. You squeeze it out, you get a big lump. That big lump is going to be another surge of rain.
It's shocking that weather, right?
Millimetres of rain in the ranges for the west coast. High tide pretty close to about now for the west coast. You can see it working in, something certainly to keep an eye on. And through the day, if you're down south, some of the clouds just look like they have that real gnarly look to them. This one, you can almost see a couple of eyes that are kind of like that. Lenticulars, and of course the Mountainous, that's the downward motion there. You know the atmosphere means business even further north to Mount Wood, the clouds there. So what is going on? Watch this mornings. The main boundary sits there. Of course, parts of Western has really been under the gun. We're going to shift that north as this piece here grabs it and pushes it. So what is the heavy persistent rain over parts of Westland? Notice how the darker blue will shift north tonight. Still going to keep raining, but the heavy intense stuff goes through. And as the upper energy goes away, that just becomes like a moth-eaten piece of rain across the north line. You'll be barely lucky to get 5 or 10 millimetres out of that. Still some gusty winds ahead of it. further showers coming into the west with a gusty old wind and a snow level, by the way, dropping down to around 1,000 metres, 1,200 metres with that westerly flow to finish off. So the rain comes in probably into the morning. It's just patchy rain or showers. Late morning into the afternoon over parts of Northland. You'll see the same sort of thing in Auckland. Dry for the rush hour, but after that, I think, a quick spell of some rain or showers. That'll go from gusty northwester at 21. Hamilton, same thing as well. Late morning, go through the middle of the day, patchy rain or showers, you've got 21 degrees. And down to the Bay of Plenty Central Plateau, you can pick out that band of rain. That is it tracking through. I've thrown the winds on there, so it's a gusty old nor'wester. By the end of the day, it's starting to become more showery, ease away, but keep that raincoat handy. Put on that as well. Late morning, you've got a band of patchy rain or showers, easing back by the end of the day at 21. To the east of the Northland here, gusty old winds, could be 1 or 2 showers, more likely into the morning. Napier, Hastings, 26 for you, and as I mentioned, Hastings was the top temperature today at 30 degrees. Warm nor'west of the reason why. Head further west, you've got that rain in the morning, brightening up for the afternoon.
Nice fine day tomorrow. Everybody else gets rain.
Watch 20 is where you finish. Wellington, of course, the gusty strong winds are well with that northerly and the spells of rain. Those do ease back. May see a little shower into the afternoon, 1 or 2 places, but most
Yeah, I don't know what
eases
sort of
back by the
tobacco
end
he
of the day,
smokes
wet
with.
or morning in place. They wipe it
It's
down
gonna be on
with
the
rain in the morning, strongest wind, and the most persistent rainfall with the west coast. That does ease through the morning hours.
You want a bit of it,
Towards the
tobacco.
mornings will expire, going overnight. Christchurch 24. May see a southerly change later on in the day, but otherwise dry with those northerlies. They will ease
I
back.
might have to give me another job.
There's the southerly change, gusty old winds, rain on
Get
the west
another
coast.
packet
It
of
does
smoke,
ease
you mean?
slowly through
Yeah,
the
that's
day.
what I mean. So I've got enough money for a
Showers
whole
will certainly be with us
packet
through
of
the night.
decent
Bear that in
smokes.
mind, that
A whole
time.
slab.
Queenstown spells of rain, easing back to some showers. That is 17 degrees, 20 for Wanaka as well. And the rest of the far south, you're really just seeing patchy rain or showers going away. Gusty sou'wester will kick its way through, 16 degrees, and of course the temperature will be dropping. Some cooler weather to slide in by the end of the week. And looking at things there, rain, that easing showers. Heads up southwest winds too as you go into the end of the day. The reason why that trough there, that'll be quite a breezy old one through Fobo Strait. Dry further east. Further north you've got some showers, and then after this, just catch your breath and we go, let's get
Catch your breath.
Could be cold, maybe there's a touch of frost in 1 or 2 places going into early Saturday, but look at that. High pressure, that's what we like, just in time for the weekend. But there is still some nasty weather to get ourselves across the west coast, to say the next 6 to 12 hours, but we can get through that. There is high pressure waiting for the
Yeah, these aren't the same as the ones I normally smoke, eh?
Thanks very much for that. And thanks for being with us.
No
Time
kick
now,
in
Simon
them.
Charlotte,
No.
Blake here.
Thanks, Simon.
What,
The latest
brand do you
job
usually
stats were out,
smoke?
and it was good news for workers.
Cheap
Average
ones.
hourly earnings were up 7.4%
Chesterfields,
Yeah,
isn't it?
last
yeah,
year.
Chesterfield.
That's slightly more than inflation.
But a new report from Fiverr shows we're struggling with rising prices and racking up credit card debt. So what are some simple ways to get your balance back
I
to
don't mind smoking these, but I like to have my tailor-mades, you know?
Mm.
When it comes to a bit of
Because you feel like you've had a smoke.
we have needs,
These ones
wants,
you've got to have
and
two,
everything in between.
basically, to make up for the one normal smoke.
Oh, well, do you want me to go down and get you some?
Nah,
New data shows
Before?
most
I'll give them in the
of us
morning.
don't. More than half of Gen Z and millennials are stressed about what they own. And it's no wonder. On average, Kiwis have nearly $6,000 owing on credit cards. And with interest on that sitting at around 20%, it means you're paying back nearly $100 every month. So how can you clear your card and free up some extra cash?
yeah, you can't.
And personal finance specialist Taylor Blackburn is here now. Nice to talk to you, Taylor. What struck you
It's a
most
girl's
about
name.
the findings in this report?
Yeah, well, it's no surprise with rising cost of living, from everything from energy bills to petrol to housing, that we would see some stress when it comes to credit card debt. But the remarkable thing was exactly how much. So almost half of the people who responded who have a card say in the last 12 months that they're under increasing stress with their credit card.
For those who have them each month.
You're kind of throwing some sand into the ocean.
Oh, shit.
If you want to pay down that debt, even an extra $10 a month is going to help.
Thanks for joining me.
Rates rising. How can people get on top of it, especially if it's